Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Naman. Now, as you saw in the title, today's video is about the best sneakers available on Myntra in the EORS sale that is going on currently. Now this sale is from 3rd July and ends on 8th July. Now I was going through Myntra during this sale. Now because I am one of the Myntra insiders, I do get an early access which was today on 2nd July. Now I have gone through a lot of sneakers and a lot of good sneakers are actually on discount. So I've picked few of my favorite sneakers that I wanted to show you. So you guys can also check these sneakers out. Now I'll show the image of the sneaker over here and give you a little brief about the sneaker. So most of the sneakers that I picked for this video are available in almost all the sizes. There were a lot of grey sneakers available that I have not included in this video because there were only a couple of sizes available. So I wanted most of the guys to get an option to buy these sneakers. So now let's start with my first silhouette. So the first sneaker I will be talking about is Puma Suede. Now I have selected 3 colors in Puma Suede. I'll be starting with this grey color, and this is available from sizes UK 7 to UK 11. Wherein the MRP of the sneaker is 6,000 rupees, it is going for 3,000 rupees right now, which is exact 50% discount. And in the same silhouette, I have also selected a yellow color. This color is going for 3,900 and the sizes are available from UK 7 to UK 12. I have personally picked this sneaker myself. So I also picked the sneaker from Myntra. I bought these for around 2,600 rupees and I bought these around last week. So this is a really nice color and I wanted to buy a Puma Suede for myself for a very long time. I've also spoken about these sneakers in my summer sneaker haul video which I've recently posted, so you can definitely check that video out as well. Now moving on, in the same Puma Suede, I have also picked a green color sneaker. Now, this is a really nice color and there are a few sizes available in this sneaker as well. I can see sizes available from UK 9 to UK 12. This is going for a really nice price right now. These are going for 2,700, wherein the MRP is 6,000 rupees, which is 55% discount. ये the 3 different colors जो Puma Suede में available हैं. I would definitely go for the yellow one. That will be my first pick. Now moving on to my second silhouette. The second silhouette will be Puma Future Rider. Now in this I picked up 2 colors. This is the first color, which has a lot of different colors on it. As you can see, it has got red, yellow, sky blue, really nice blue on the toe area, and like a white or a creamish color on the toe as well. So it's a really nice color. Now this is a little expensive one out of the lot. These are going for right now 5,249 rupees, wherein the MRP is 7,000, which is approximately 25% discount. Which, to be very honest, is not a bad price. Yes, considering the fact the other sneakers are on a discount for 50 to 55%, a little less discount, but it's a really nice sneaker. I do own a pair of Future Riders myself, and trust me, they are a very comfortable pair of sneakers. This is one silhouette that you can wear for hours, and trust me, your feet would not pain. Also, in the same silhouette, Puma Future Riders, I have picked another color. This is more like a simple and low-key color, in which most of the sneaker is built of white color and has got a double swoosh of black and red. And also I've got the navy blue color on the back. This is also going for a 50% discount right now. The MRP 7,000 again, but going for 3,500. And in this one, most of the sizes are available. I can see sizes available from UK 3 to UK 11. And this is a unisex sneaker. Now, coming to the second brand, which is Nike, my favorite brand. Starting with an all-white sneaker, I have got Nike Court Royal 2. This is an amazing silhouette. I have reviewed these sneakers. I'll probably leave the link down in the description so that you guys can check it out. And having an all-white sneaker is must for everybody. Now, coming to the second silhouette from Nike, I have got Nike White Blazers Mid. This silhouette was launched in 1977, was Nike's first basketball sneaker and has been there for the last 44 years. बहुत ही अच्छा शू है, predominant white colored sneaker है, just has got a little orange swoosh on it. Very well respected shoe all across the world. Probably not one of the most comfortable sneaker out there, but looks की अगर बात करूँ, so looks में this sneaker looks amazing on feet. और भी different color swoosh में available है. For example, I've shown you the orange one. Same it is available with a green swoosh, and I saw one with sky blue and one with black as well. जो black swoosh वाला है वो सबसे famous है all across the world. I feel that we should try different colors. So I have personally picked the orange color one. Now the MRP for these sneakers is 8,000 rupees and it is going for 4,797 rupees right now, which is 40% discount for the orange one. The green one has got 30% discount, it's going for 5,596. Now coming to the third silhouette from Nike. Now this is a new one. This is the first time I've seen this sneaker. Now this is an Air Max SC sneakers. It looks really nice. It has got a lot of grey on the side and on the front toe and has a very simple blue swoosh. Really nice sneaker. तो जो Air Max series है बहुत ही comfortable sneaker है series के अंदर. इसमें air bubble होता है side में, as you can see in the picture. I think this is one sneaker out of all the lot that I would want to try personally for myself. And the best part about the sneaker is it has got white and grey color, now which is a very versatile combination. Goes with almost every outfit and just a little bit of blue on it, which looks really nice. A very clean pair, and this is one pair that everybody would be able to wear. So very nice sneaker. I really like it. MRP 6,000, going for a 20% discount for 4,796. Also, I will be leaving the links for all of these sneakers down in the description for you guys to check them out. Now I'm coming to my third brand. Now this is Adidas Originals. From Adidas Originals, I have picked 3 different silhouettes in one color each in all the silhouettes. I'm starting with Adidas Originals Superstars. I picked this red and black colored sneaker. This is one color combination that attracts me a lot, so I have picked this one. This is also a little bit on the higher end. It is going for 5,590 rupees, wherein the MRP is 8,600. So it's around 35% off. Not a bad discount. It's a really nice sneaker. If you have a little bit of budget, try this out. If not, in the same brand, Adidas Originals, I have picked another red colored sneaker. This is some retro set sneakers. Looks nice. It actually looks, very close to Nike Vapor Waffle. But the red color looks really nice on this. And those white stripes with the black borderline looks really nice on the sneaker. So probably if you do not want to spend 5,500 on Superstars and you want a good red color low top sneaker, this is going to be a good alternative for it. And the third silhouette, this is another classic silhouette from Adidas Originals, Adidas Stan Smiths, and I have picked the most classic color in Adidas Stan Smith, a white color sneaker with just a little bit of green accents on it. This is one of the most famous silhouette all across the world. So the MRP for this is 8,000, going for only 4,000 rupees, 50% off. For such an amazing and classic silhouette is a great deal. It is available in all the sizes. I can see it is available in UK 6 to UK 12. Now coming to my fourth brand, I have picked one silhouette from Converse. This is a normal Converse All Star. I didn't like the other colors, but I really liked this one considering summers. It's a cream colored sneaker, simple, normal, classic Converse. You can never go wrong with. It is going for 3,249 rupees. The MRP is 5,000, so that's 35% off. Available in sizes from UK 7 to UK 11. So these are the 4 brands that I specifically picked for this video. I checked out Vans as well. There were a couple of nice sneakers, but again were only available in a couple of sizes, so I didn't include them in the video. I did check New Balance as well. There was only one silhouette available on the entire website. Same with Asics as well, so I haven't included those as well. Also, if I have to pick a couple of my personal favorite from the video, I would definitely suggest to go for Puma Suedes in the yellow color. Amazing color. I have the sneaker myself. It is a great sneaker. The quality of suede that they have used is really nice. One of the most classic silhouettes and looks really nice. If you don't want to go for yellow, you can probably go for grey. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you like the video. I tried doing something different. I will try कि वीडियो बहुत जल्दी पोस्ट कर सकूं, because I don't want कि सेल खत्म हो जाए या फिर ये सारे सोल्ड आउट हो जाए and फिर ये वीडियो अपलोड हो. It wouldn't make sense. I'm leaving the links down in the description. Check them out. बहुत अच्छे sneakers हैं. The sneakers that I picked are classic silhouettes. Colors are really nice. I would again say go for some really nice colors. Black, blue बहुत हो गया. थोड़ा सा colors try करो. There is no harm in it. कोई कुछ नहीं बोलने वाला. People are cool now. Summers है, इतनी गर्मियाँ हैं. Try white color sneakers. Try blue, yellow, green. करके देखो, they look really nice. Though I understand, I mean, if you don't want to spend a lot of money, or if you don't want to have like say 10-15 shoes like sneakerheads like me, then I understand that you just want to have a blue or black and a white color, then I understand. But if you have the budget and if you can afford them, try different colors. Try the sneakers out, links description mein hai, check them out. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, video like कर देना, share it with your friends, with your family members. I am trying to bring up new content for you guys, so I hope you like it. If there's any feedback or anything that you would like, anything that you want, bring it up in my coming videos, comment down below. Also you can comment down below which particular color or which particular silhouette you like from this vlog. And if you guys end up buying any of the sneakers and you like them, please let me know. I would be really happy that somebody took my suggestion and liked it. You can also follow me on Instagram. ये है मेरा Instagram link. Follow me. You can DM me anytime. It's a public profile. You have any doubts, any questions, I'm always available. So thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned.